I remembered to record from the beginning. Sorry, my voice is a little parched. I didn't eat yet, but eat or drink anything. It's like 10 in the morning, 11 in the morning, something like that. But here we go, man. 2018 Honda Accord. And we're going to get in this one. And we're going to fix it from beginning to end. Rotors and brakes in this one.
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Can't breathe in this car when that shit is off for a whole night, I guess. All the smoke is smelly and it's sick. But it's what it is. It's people's cars. But yeah, man. Push the start. I like this. I like this car or whatever. It's pretty cool. So let's get it across the street into a parking spot, and then we can do these rotors and brakes. So we got the parts, y'all. I told y'all this already. Back rotors, front rotors, and we got brake pads. That's what we're doing. We're about to get this done. Get this done. Get the tools out and get it all done. Okay, tire one. Took me a little while to get this little Allen key wrench to get out the caliper, but it's out. And now we have, gotta find out. 16 and 19, let's find out. Not 16. Not 17. 18 it is, guys. 18 it is. So this is what we're gonna do. So take out the bracket. Once you take out the bracket, this one should come right off. I don't see any screws. Oh, actually there is one right here. Boom. So we're gonna need a punch. I'm gonna show you that in a second. Alright, so what you really want is a silver mallet, metal mallet, not even silver. The rubber one. But here's a punch. And what you do is you put in the screw. You're supposed to hit it. If you hit it with the mallet about 2 times, normally gives you that spin. But I broke my mallet, so I need to buy a new one. I'll do it the old-fashioned way. Pretty good. I can do this. Use the gun. Let's see if it comes out for me. Oh, no good. And look, it broke. Just made the job 3 times harder, guys. Like usual, shit always happens. Hey, what's up, what's up? Now the piece of metal is stuck inside. Now I'm making an even harder job than what it really was. Fucking shit. It's one of the worst problems that could possibly happen is the last screw didn't want to come out. That's exactly what happened. So let me show you what I had to do to take it out. Grinder, and I grind right in, which is not necessarily good for this part and this part, but it's okay. We grind right into the screw, and let's see, I just saw it drop. Got it. And this is what it was. I grinded it in and then put the screwdriver in. Luckily, it spun. If not, I would have had to keep on shaving until this whole head was gone, and then I would be able to pull it out. So the good thing is that it's recoverable. You can put a new screw in there. It's a good thing. But whatever, that sucks. So let's take this off now. Like I said, I'm supposed to have a mallet. I only got this hammer. Good thing for me hitting it already. It doesn't really key to come out. Boom. Right. So this is the old one. I'm gonna show you the new one. So the easy swap and put it right back on. So we got what's this? Evolution genuine, right? Evolution coated. Got these on Rock Auto, man. I tell you about Rock Auto all the time. There's my knife. From the beginning, but put this on and show you real quick how nice this looks. Oh man, look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference. Amazing. Yeah, and actually this could be the back wheels because I'm trying to match them up and this doesn't match. So we're gonna go and grab the other set and see. I think I was right because that was a smaller box. Yeah, and actually does have a picture of the front here. So, whoop, yes, there you go. Guys, look at this. Look at that difference, guys. That is amazing. I'm gonna read this sticker because I don't know if I'm supposed to take it off, but it shows you how genuine it is, guys. Real nice, real nice. Oh. What we do is we pretty much lining up that screw hole. Right? Lining up that screw hole. It's this one. I could put like the screw if I want, but I'm not gonna do that. Right? Bang this in and make sure it goes in properly. Put it in correctly. Okay. Next thing I gotta do is a little bit of banging. We got it over, guys. That's the sticker come off from here. Genuine coated 360. Yeah, this one. I'll take it off. Leave that for the customer. Or not. You know, try it. Boom. Then it's pretty much reversing the steps. We got new brakes also. So, the best kit that they could possibly give us. We got it. The old brakes are still in there. Take these out. Okay. There you go. I forgot my seat clamp too. Got one flat, two flats. Things with the pressings in the back, and these clippings. Pretty good. All right, so I'll show you the ending product. Let's put it back together. Me too, guys. I had to buy some parts. A couple of my stuff broke. I had to buy a nice screwdriver. When I figured out how to take out the screw that goes into the rotor, what I did was I bought one of these where it has a connection on the top, so I can hit it with a hammer, and that's exactly what I did. I hit it with a hammer, punched it in nice and strong, and then the screw spinned out easily. And now we put in our Pro Stop rotors, changing us the old rotor right there, which is not that bad. Brakes is not that bad, but this owner really cares about his car, and he tries to maintenance it as early as possible. So here we are. All right, Mark, bubble. Pump it up. Pump it. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. That's good, that's good. All right, so there you go. Rotor number 2. Finished right now, installed perfectly fine. I was going to take off this sticker, but you don't have to take it off because that's the spot that connects to the wheel. This is the spot that has to be cleared. I could spray brake grease and things like that. I mean, brake cleaner on this, but I did the last one, and since these are coated, so I definitely recommend getting coated, but these are coated, and it stops the squeal noise.